Hi everyone, welcome back to the session. So today we're gonna be covering up the Fibonacci series. So what are the Fibonacci series and all those things we'll be covering up. Just give me a moment of this and I will be back for it. Sorry about that. So we have to open it online compiler for it. So online compiler for the Python. And now we're gonna look for the Fibonacci series. So what are they? So just let me figure it out. Where is my code things? Yesterday and day before yesterday we have seen pattern type questions, and yesterday palindrome, and today we're gonna look for the Fibonacci, right? So what are the Fibonacci codes? So let me figure it out. So let's say that it's a sequence of the series of number where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, right? And starting with zeros and ones, let's learn how to write a Python code and generate Fibonacci number in a super simple way. So what are we doing? So we are calculating Fibonacci number one by one. So printing them. So how does Fibonacci works? So let's start with the zeros and ones and add them to the next one. So then 1 plus 1 equals to 2 and 1 plus 2 equals to 3 and so on. Steps in code: take the number of terms as input, start with two variables a's and b's one, use a loop to calculate print sequence. So to do so, we have the things. So get the number from the term of the user, so we are just using it. So initializing the first and two number, let's say a equals to 0 and b equals to 1, and generating it for it. Fibonacci series for in range, uh, print the current number and all the stuff. So this is how this thing gonna be work out. So I didn't got this one right, these things. So I'll be asking it for to define it in simple way, which means for underscore, this means that the repeat the following steps and terms. So underscore is the placeholder because we don't need to use the loop counter. And print a, this prints the current Fibonacci number stored in a and ends. This tells Python to move in a new line. So this updates A and B to get the next Fibonacci number, and A equal to B, the new, and the become a current value of the B, and B equal to A plus B. So can we have so other simple program for Fibonacci? I am So let's say that the work will gonna up us. So which means that it's not getting us for a. Let me ask in YouTube. So Fibonacci series in Python. So we have a 8 minute of video we can watch. So guys, you can see here that what actually we have seen from the YouTube, what we got from the YouTube, that the number uh, we've been going through the sequence. So first we are assigning the zeros and b's for the one. So printing a's and b's as simple, right? But the logic where it comes for. So logic is come for the for loop here. So for I in range 2 comma n. So 2 comma n and colon. So we have to actually increase. So we are storing these things into a C. So let's say C is in A plus B equal to C, and that's just swapping it. So printing the C. So C will become on the actually there that side. So guys, we can see that how those things gonna be work out. And let me how to say write this code in front of it. So def fib a equals to 0, b equals to 1, and if n equals to 1 colon print a, else print a, print b for I in range 2 comma n, c equals to a plus b, a equal to b, b equal to c, print c. Yeah, so explain this code. Not gonna look for it. Busy. So we have the Fibonacci function which takes one input and which the number of Fibonacci numbers gonna be getting generated here, initializing the first two numbers. So a equals to 0 and b equals to 1. So the first two Fibonacci numbers are initialized, a equal to 0 and b equal to 1. Check for special case n equal to 1. So if n equals to 1, print a. If the user only wants one number, one point the first Fibonacci number equal to 0, no further calculation needed. And 4 means that I handle the general case n greater than 1. So else print a and print b. If the user want more than one number, print the first two number a and b. So calculating the remaining number here. So for I in range 2 comma n, so c equals to a plus b. So the next Fibonacci number is the sum of the previous two number, right? And a equals to b, so update a to a b, old b, and b to a old c. Update the b to be a new Fibonacci number. So print the current Fibonacci number. That's how this thing's gonna be work out, guys. And calculating the things and all. So let's say for an example, go through it. So we have the Fibonacci number n equal to 5. So the program skips if the n equals to 1 block, it moves to the else block. Print the first two numbers. So 0 value a and 1 value of b. So start the loop for I in range 2 comma 5. So iteration 1, I equal to 2 will be there. So c equals to a plus b, which means that the 0 plus 1 equals to a. So a equals to b equals to a, and these things gonna be printed now. For the 3, 4, same like that, and gonna be keep adding up to that. So guys, we have seen here for the Fibonacci series. It's a thing to be going for straightforward. Little was confusing for us, but I will make sure that the once I get come for it, I will be making sure that I will be uh actually very well influenced actually, and very well flowed and very well actually getting understand by myself. So guys, that's all of my time for the today, and see you in the next, catch you in the next lesson. Bye, peace.